Hey friends, hope you're doing fine. Today I'd like to share with you a really cool new feature which Microsoft has released, which allows us to embed Power BI reports in PowerPoint. Now so far, whenever we used Power BI reports inside PowerPoint, most often people just copied images and then they pasted them in PowerPoint. And this of course works, but it is static, right? It's just a copy paste. And then there's just an image inside the PowerPoint presentation. But what if we would like to have this fully dynamic? This is possible now, completely for free, by simply the new tile which Microsoft provides, and I'm gonna show you how that works. So what you need is just open PowerPoint, and then let me just under home, just change, in this case, the layout of the slide and make it blank, okay? And now you go to insert, and under insert, there are these add-ins, right? And if you click on the add-ins option here, then you just need to search for add-in. And if I search for Power BI, like that, let me just search for it, you find this option Microsoft Power BI. So not this Power BI tiles that existed for quite some time. And you can also purchase something here, but we would like to use the new version from Power BI, from Microsoft itself. So click on add and click on continue. And there might be an additional pop-up window which simply asks you to sign into your account. That could be the case. Just remember, I don't remember right now, but just click on OK and log in, and then you're good to go. And now you can see this new tile, and this just needs now the report URL from your Power BI report. So that means if you need an URL, of course, you can't use the Power BI file you have on your desktop. You just need to publish it first to your personal workspace in the Power BI service. But remember, if you want, of course, you can create a complete new free account there and then just publish your report either to your personal workspace or to a shared workspace with which you collaborate with your colleagues, but you have access to, right? That's, of course, the requirement. But then you just simply copy the URL and paste it here. And I already did that, so I just paste the URL inside, and then you click on Insert, and then you just wait, and the report gets loaded. Here it is. And now I have my report inside the PowerPoint presentation. And of course I can make it bigger if I want, and so on, and also full screen of course, but you will see that this is completely interactive. So that means if I, for instance, filter something here, if I filter USA, so United States here for instance, you can also see I got the tooltips here, but if I click on this for instance, you see that I filter my data and see now my KPIs here for United States. And of course, there's some report optimization. For instance, I would not use highlight here. I would actually like to filter this. But of course, this can be changed, and then the optimized report can be embedded here, right? So you see that this is completely interactive and works inside PowerPoint. And you can also, if you really have the use case for that, simply click on this little arrow here and say you would like to show this as a saved image. And if you tick this option, then you'll see or notice that now you can click on anything here, it doesn't matter, because now it's a static image. The great thing, on the other hand, is you can always switch it back. Meaning if you, for instance, if I select this here, and let me just, okay, click on it again, and now here we go, click on this little arrow again, and then untick this option here, the show as saved image. Then you just wait a little bit, the report gets reloaded, and now you can see here the report again, and you can click on something, for instance here, Austria, click on this, and I would see the data here for Austria, right? So again, it's a fully interactive report inside PowerPoint. And that's basically how that works. And you can also find here, if you click there, you can delete the report if you, delete from PowerPoint, just to be precise here, right? You can delete this tile, this visual here if you want. You can also reload it if you have new data, for instance, and so on. So that's a great new feature as far as I think here, I can present you. So far we knew that this is possible with Excel files to have some kind of a linkage there, but now you can also do this with your Power BI reports. I really hope you enjoyed this feature and you can try it out yourself. And as always, thanks a lot for watching. If you have not done so far, please consider subscribing to the channel. It means a lot to me, and also you'll find new videos which hopefully help you to become the best analyst and data scientist you can be. So thanks a lot, and hopefully see you in the next video. Until then, best guys.